To fix this problem, first of all, what you need to do here, you need to go on search and write manage advanced sharing settings. Then here you need to go to private networks, and on private networks, make sure network discovery is turned on. Setup network connected devices automatically is ticked, and also file and printer sharing is turned on. Next thing, what you need to do here, you need to go to services, just write services on search. Then you need to click on one of the tasks here and press F until you see function discovery resource publication, right? And then you just need to right click on it, go to properties, make sure startup type is automatic, and also make sure server status is running. Then what you need to do here is to press S on your keyboard and then look for SSDP discovery. Right click on it, go to properties, make sure this is also automatic and running. Then you need to press U on your keyboard and then look for a UPnP device host. Again, right click on it, go to properties, make sure startup type automatic and server status running. And after that, you need to look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, you just need to go to search again and write turn Windows features on or off. And then on this new window, you need to look for S. And then as you can see here, it should be SMB 1.0. Then you just need to expand this option here and make sure SMP 1.0, basically middle option, is enabled here. Press OK. And then after that, you need to restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. So that's it.